What's the worst thing that can happen to your brain without you feeling it? Think about that for a second. The answer isn't a stroke. It's not an injury. It's not even something that sends you to the hospital. Sometimes all it takes is 1 week. 1 week of bad sleep. And here's the scariest part. You'll feel fine while you're not. Let's start here. Inside your brain, there's a system called the glymphatic system. Its only job? Clean your brain of waste that builds up all day long. And this waste isn't harmless. It contains proteins that, when they accumulate, are scientifically linked to conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's. But this system only works during one window, while you're asleep, specifically during certain stages of deep sleep. So every night of poor or broken sleep isn't just about feeling tired. Your brain stays filled with waste that was supposed to be washed away. Now, back to that question I asked. Why won't you feel it? Because your body has a backup plan. And that backup plan is exactly what's tricking you. When your body senses it didn't get enough sleep, it releases a hormone called cortisol, the same stress hormone. And this hormone gives you fake energy. The same feeling you get when someone suddenly startles you. You jump, you're alert, you feel sharp. But that's not rest. That's your body screaming. And every morning you hear that scream, you mistake it for real energy. Here's the problem. That fake energy has a ceiling. 1 day, you won't notice a difference. 2 days, still won't. But with every night of poor sleep, that waste we talked about keeps piling up little by little, and your body leans harder and harder on cortisol to cover the gap. This is exactly where the real deception happens. You feel like you've adapted to less sleep, but the truth, your body hasn't adapted. It simply lost the ability to warn you the normal way. So what's the solution? Not necessarily more sleep, smarter sleep. Your body sleeps in cycles, each one about 90 minutes long. Wake up mid-cycle, you'll feel exhausted even after sleeping plenty of hours. Wake up at the end of a full cycle, your brain has just completed an entire cleaning phase, and that's when you feel a real difference, even with roughly the same number of hours. So remember that question we started with. What's the worst thing that can happen to your brain without you feeling it? The answer isn't some rare disease or a sudden accident. The answer is that you could live for weeks, months, or even years completely convinced you're fine, while your body, this entire time, has been paying a bill you never saw. The real question isn't how many hours did you sleep last night. The real question is, when was the last time your brain actually got the time it needed to clean itself?